Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. Today we have a first alert lockbox. Customer brought it in, there's no keys, so what we're gonna do, first thing you wanna do is we gotta find out which keyway is for the lock. So usually there's a code, and right here you can see it's 038. So you're gonna go to your lock codes website, and I'm gonna type in 038, and it's gonna give me a bunch of options, but I searched lockbox, and it said it's a Y13. So I grab a Y13 key. If the key goes in the lock, you know you've got the right key. And then here it gives me the cuts. So it's 13133. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my blitz machine. I'm gonna stop the key. Oops. Stop the key at the shoulder. Jaw side A. And now I'm gonna cut the key. So flip the machine on. I'm moving it now to my first cut. So here's first cut right here. All right, and the first cut is a 1 depth. So now I'm gonna move this up until 1. Can you go back? Yeah. So now I'm going to cut 1 is a 1 right there. Now I'm going to the second cut. The second cut is a 3 depth. So now I'm going to 3. Okay, the third cut is a 1 as well. So I'm just cutting it to 1, moving this to 1. The fourth cut is a 3. Oops, I kind of cut that one a little bit deep, but hopefully I didn't mess it up. And then the last cut is also a 3. Okay. There we go. Now you can flip the machine off. Let's see if it works. I'm just going to brush the keys. And let's see if it works. Voila. And it works.